Comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar.
Hello and welcome to Money on the Floor. I'm here to help you pick it up. Talking about arbitrage.company. Yeah, talking about these cryptos. Hoping to be professional soon. Apex is going to go live. Look out. Start putting money in our pockets. So far this morning, we had one little loser. So we're going to see if we can come back. We already got the trade on. See if we can get a winner. See if we can make some money out of this thing. See if when this does go live, if we have a chance. I think we do. So far, I've been doing pretty good with it. So I'm very happy. And it's very simple, easy to use, no nonsense, that's for sure. Either you win or lose. Either get profit, you click in, or you take it goes the wrong way and you click out. So I like it a lot for scalping. You can do the market trades too, the market cap. So if you feel it's going up all day, you can take a long, you can take a short. Like you could do that. You can do long or short with the other one too. If you think a certain pair is going to go a certain way. But I like scalping. I like the leverage. I like the power of in and out, making that money. Yep. And soon we'll be able to do it live. And hopefully we'll get our crypto debit cards and we'll be able to put that money on there, send it home, and enjoy life. So we'll see what happens. Very interesting. Let's get back to the trade. Here's the trade. We bought up into this and it turned around. If we got down to here, we got out. We got out. So now we took another sell trade and it's pulling back up just a little bit. So we're negative. It has to come down 2 candles and we're going to make profit, or it's going to go past the top, so we're going to get out again. So we'll see. You never know what these crazy candles might do. That's for sure. Let's see, our market cap trade we put on earlier is positive, so that's good. Means the market's going up. We took a long. Now we had a push down. We're into a triangle, but this could be a rising wedge. Rising wedge is going to be a sell sign, so we'll see. Right now it's trying to take us out again. So we'll give it a little time, see what happens, see what's on its mind. But we got our decision made, so. See the top right here, if we cross this, we're out. It's obviously going up. But if it keeps going down, we want to take profit down in here. So we want to give up 1 to take 2. 2 to 1. That's the plan. Pull this out of the way, we can get a bigger chart. Pretty hard to miss that candle. So hopefully it'll cooperate. We'll get a sell trade. Keep on going. Because if you put a trend line across here, we're going all the way up here. And you put one across here, it looks like we're starting to break it with this here if we can get it pushed down. That's a big if right now. Because it's definitely the wrong color and definitely going the wrong way. That's all right. We got 6 more minutes. We'll see what happens. Get the volume out of the way so you can see the candles better. There we go. There, it's starting to look nicer. Looks like maybe it'll cooperate this time. Maybe. And we could just go sideways for a long time too, so you never know. Now this here is an evening star. This is usually a sell sign, so that's what I was working off of. That's why I jumped in so quick after this closed. So far it looks good. should be coming into profit right about now. See, maybe it's a little slow. Market cap still positive. That's good. Here we had a morning star went up. Here we had an evening star. Hopefully we're going down. Over here we had a morning star went up. Likes these morning stars, that's for sure. Engulfing candle. Evening star. Engulfing candle. Engulfing candle. Engulfing candle. So those are two patterns to learn, are those two patterns, engulfing candles and evening stars and morning stars. Basically, they're just hammers or hangmen that decide to go the other way. But if you can learn those two patterns, it works really good with the Bitcoin US dollar. So seems to be the only two that they throw out there. That and double tops. Seems to like double tops. So we had a spinning top candle here, which means total indecision. So you never know. Anything's possible right now. It's not a good sign. So we got a trend line that comes up through here. And it looks like we went past it. We're coming up and retesting it. And then hopefully we'll get a drop down is what I'm seeing. And over here off this candle here, we got the other part of the triangle, or maybe it's off this candle coming through here. So this would be a rising wedge possibly. We're only guessing. We don't know. Nobody knows till it's all over with, then you look at it. It's like maybe it's trying to cooperate. Wow. It does happen sometimes. So our first trade out of the gate, we took a loss. We took a buy into here because we had these two candles going up. And then it turned around and came back at us, and this was my getting out point. So we got out. But you never know, this thing could keep on going, which hopefully it will now. And then we saw this pattern here, which was a evening star, and that's a sell pattern. So we're going to go with that and a rising triangle, so rising wedge. So between the two things, I felt we had a few things in our favor. So and we've already been going down, so it makes sense that it was a continuation down. Now this could be a reverse megaphone too, and we're going to come all the way down into here, which makes sense. We'll put a trend line across here, which is right about there. We should come down to about here if it's going to keep the same pattern. So we're just trying to look at the obvious, look at the past, make a decision on what we're doing. Should be coming into some kind of profit by now. Come on. There it goes. It's always a little slow. So my guess is we should at least come down to here's minimum. This is like main support down here, but it could come all the way down to here. But I would be happy 2 to 1, or 1 block to get out and 2 blocks to make profit. So doesn't mean we'll get it, but if we don't get it, we get out quick. Try to keep our losses small. I know I preach that all the time, it's because that's what works for me. That's what got me to be a professional trader. Before, I thought I was a professional trader, but I didn't like stop loss. I was moving my stops. So even though I was making money, sometimes I would get money stuck for long periods of time, paying swap fees, paying other fees, trying to let the thing run and then throw some other trades coming back at it. Try like a 3-bullet system. Let one go, and if it goes far enough, put another one. Goes far enough, put another one. So, sometimes the thing's out there for months. So by the time you get back, you got to actually come back an extra $100 just to get all the swap fees taken care of and everything. And it wasn't worth it. It was way better a small stop and not have to worry about it and look for another trade. Just like we're doing now. We took a small loss. We're already past all that. We're looking to take profit here pretty soon. This is awesome. This is how trading should be. Now, sometimes we get bad days and we do get 3 trades in a row. And for me, I stop. If I get 3 losses in a row, I'm done for the day. Obviously, the market's not working for me, or I'm stubborn and I'm trying to sell something that only wants to go up. I'm not able to see what's really going on. So you need a way to stop yourself, and that's how I do it. But you have to make a decision on your own trading. That's why you need to be demo trading. That's why you need to be logging down your trades, treating it as if it was real, so you can see where your weakness is. That's all. How can you fight your problems if you don't know what they are yet? Yeah, I only like a 10 or 20 pip stop loss, no more. I even use an EA for my other trading that puts my stop loss automatically in and moves it to break even, moves the trailing stop. I'll let that take over, and then once I see I got enough profit for the day, if I'm done, I take the profit and go. If not, I let it trail out. But if it looks like it's giving me a turnaround sign and I'm going to lose a little more if I let the trailing stop take it, I will close the trade. So far, this looks like a pretty good trade. Let me go ahead and just stop the video, and we'll see if we can come down here and hit the profit target. All right, you guys, we'll get back to you here in a minute. There it is. Nothing better than hitting target. I like that. There we go. Just goes to show if you hold out for the 2 to 1, you can get it. It's awesome. Our market cap trade's still a little bit negative. We'll run into the next video. So there you have it. We had 1 loss and a big win, so we're way ahead. All right, guys. Stay Armstrong. We will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.